Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am doing an unboxing of some items that I picked out from Globleland. I'm partnering with them for another video, and the things that I picked out for this month were 3 die sets and 1 set of fall charms. So I'll start with the dies here. I picked out this bicycle die. It has the frame, the wheel, which you would do 2 for the bicycle, obviously. There's a balloon if you want to make it a birthday themed bicycle. I'll put a picture of what they have on the website. And then this is the strings for the balloon. These look like leaves to me. I'm not quite sure what that is, but then there's a flower and a basket. And what I made with this die, and we'll have a video up following this video on how my process of making this card, but here I made mine a fall themed, and I think it turned out really cute. So that's what I did with that one. And then I picked out these really cute shoe die sets. They look like Converse, like high top and low top, and then you can also make it like a Vans too. They have all these different pieces. And so I made some Converse shoes because my husband loves to wear Converse. And I made these cute purple ones because purple is my favorite color. So those are super cute. I love that. And then with the charms, here is the charm set. I'll have the links for everything down below, as well as a coupon code for you. This set of charms came with a ton. I think it's like 50, and I'll show you. They're like a really heavy silver plated or silver tone, I guess. Probably not real silver plate, but silver toned, but they're really good quality, heavy. And I made a charm dangle, fall charm dangle here with some beads in my stash. But there is a squirrel. There is this maple leaf, really pretty. Hopefully you can see that. There is, let's see here. Here's another leaf, and I don't know what kind that is. A different shape. A third leaf. And then there's an acorn, a little pine cone, and where's the last thing? Oh, a little itty bitty pumpkin. He's probably 1/4 of an inch. I wish they had made a bigger pumpkin, but it's just tiny little pumpkin. But still really cute. So those are the different items in there. And then I made this charm dangle to go on a fall charm or a fall junk journal. And then the last set I picked out was this Halloween set, and it has 2 size pumpkins, 2 jack-o'-lanterns with the faces. They are impressions. These pieces here are impressions. They don't actually cut them out, which I wish they would have made it so that you could cut it out, because then you would have those pieces to layer on top, but they don't actually cut out. So I'll show you what I made here. I had to color in the areas. And the same with the hat, has like the embossed part with a little buckle and tie around the hat. And then there's candy, the tail, a little pumpkin hat, so you could put the cat in the pumpkin and have the top of the pumpkin on top of the cat, which is really cute. These are the little paws for the cat. This is the body, the eyes for the cat, the mouthpiece for the cat, or like I guess it's more of the nose piece. And then there's the head. So what I made, and I also will have a tutorial video on these, or not, like just a process video, I guess. So I made this one with a big pumpkin and a hat. I colored with a marker the eyes, nose, and the mouth. Added a candy piece down there, and then the witch hat at the top. Added some ribbon and twine. And this one, I cut the big pumpkin, colored the eyes, nose, and mouth there. I added detail to the cat so it would pop off the back with the white pen. And then I cut little orange triangles for the ears, and then made purple eyes and colored in the blacks and the whites for the detail. And then this is the nose piece, and I used an orange marker for that. And then the purple hat, and then I used a black marker to make the buckle there. So, and then I stitched this around the edge with orange thread just to add an extra detail, and the back is the orange. So yeah, so those are the things that I made from Globleland. If you want to check their website out, I'll have all the links for this stuff down below, as well as a coupon code for you, and hopefully you'll go over there and check out their stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.